Hi, my name is Micah Clasper-Torch, and I'm a fiber artist and designer. I specialize in various textile techniques, being recognized mostly for my punch needle codes. This has led to my work being featured in various publications, including Molly Makes, Love Embroidery, Coel Magazine, and Amy Oxford's Guide to Punch Needle Rug Hooking. My design style is abstract, based on visually pleasing colors, shapes, and the balance between all of these. I care deeply about retaining the traditional aspects of the punch needle craft while also exploring all of the ways that we can bring this craft into the 21st century. Techniques like sewing, embroidery, rug hooking, and quilting are so deeply connected to the history of women and resourcefulness throughout centuries, and I find this inspirational as I continue to move this work forward into the future. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to use punch needle rug hooking and construction techniques to create clothing and accessories. For the final project, you will learn to craft a beautiful punch needle clutch purse, combining both experimental and traditional techniques to create a unique work of art. We will begin with an overview of punch needle and the various tools required. You will learn the basics of rug hooking, preparing your frame, backing material, and creating even punch needle loops. Then we will explore some fun, non-traditional punch needle techniques that can add a unique touch to your piece. Afterwards, we will design our clutch. You'll start by gathering inspiration, selecting a pattern, and learning how to transfer it from paper to your backing fabric. Then you will select the yarn, colors, and stitches you want to use, learning the best strategies to approach the completion of your design. We will complete the piece and learn how to finish the back of the clutch. Next, I'll show you how to construct it into a purse and all the washing and care techniques that it requires. Finally, you'll see some other ways that you might apply this technique. At the end of this course, you will have a beautiful, unique punch needle clutch and the knowledge to design and create your own unique accessories. For this course, you will need backing fabric, a gripper strip frame, punch needle tools, and rug yarn or other novelty yarn of your choosing. You will also need an embroidery needle, thread, felt lining, and a sew-on snap. This course is for anyone who wants to explore their creativity and learn how to make beautiful and functional accessories. Bring joy and inspiration to the world through the art of punch needle and textile.